Welcome to the Seraya Resort Komodo! Woohoo!
Bienvenido o bienvenida?
Benvenido! Wow! Wow guys! Welcome to Seraya Island. So guys, good morning, selamat pagi. Today we are with Albert and we are going kayaking.
That's the island, the front of us.
Ooh, let's go! Look at the color. Guys, welcome to paradise. Welcome to Flores. It's only since 24 hours that I'm here and I'm already fell in love with this hotel. In conclusion, the Seraya Resort is the perfect place to start your trip to Komodo National Park, or if you're more adventurous, it can be the perfect ending point if you take a tour from the east to the west. With this incredible sea, corals and lots of colorful and lots of fishes, the Seraya Resort is also the perfect place for your beach stay. Thank you very much for watching our video. If you like it, please smash the like button and remember, share it with your colleagues and friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you want to keep watching the wonderful Indonesia.